A delegation of 3 groups that included the HYNNIEWTREP National Awakening Movement or KHNAM State Youth Wing, the HYNNIEWTREP Border Dispute Redressal Forum and the HYNNIEWTREP Women's Welfare and Development Organization had submitted a memorandum to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah through the Chief Minister of Meghalaya to demand for the retrieval by the Meghalaya government of the Block 1 areas of LAPANG-NONGPHYLLUT DOLOISHIP and PANGAM-RALIANG from West KARBI district of Assam. Speaking to the media, the chairman of the HYNNIEWTREP Border Dispute Redressal Forum, CHANDAME SUNGOH, informed that since Meghalaya attained statehood in 1972, there had been efforts to recall back to Meghalaya the Block 1 areas that have been included in the ANGLONG district of Assam. SUNGOH added that there has been a tug-of-war between Assam and Meghalaya to claim these areas, and therefore till date all villages under the Block 1 area remain disputed.
Pada KHNAM khandai spa HYNNIEWTREP hakapor baka jelame kalaya jungi kaliyo ibijing laylui kadon gijing kermen baki ne gijaka kinwan phai biang sport kalaya hinrai om kumta kata ka North Eastern Region Reorganization Act kila penstem penban kila pentikena penban kat kum kata ka notification ke balawan haka khatlai tarik April khat khandai spa santheu we te kata ka North Eastern Reorganization Act ro kala penstem ia kata ka notification balawan kata ka SNAM kata ka khatlai April khat khandai spa santheu bat nadu kata ka por hadu menta ka ne gejaka kadang nek be chapo kam don hi sendo senuru herai kumalong menta tega ne gejaka kadang don pring geji kaput hinrei hadu mentaru kane ke kam kadang sating bat kane gejaka kadang don hapring geji kam trai keliang na keliang Assam ru kawan kam trai na keliang Meghalaya ru kumju hinrei kumalong menta kabak hampen ibor kade gejala Assam mo hinrei na keliang gejala jungi pat kimia ayu hadu kata-kata te kat kum gejik tip jungi kum ko forum kasin kabak hadu bagi pelongi gejing keren na kapenta kene gejaka kade ka khatwei tarik jong ubnai mi KHNAM R1000 khatwei tarik ubnai mi KHNAM R1000 hakatu ko por hakatu ko SNAM Chief Minister jong gejala Meghalaya hakatu ko por iba ike maulong baru Chief Minister jong gejala Assam uprafala kamar hanto kelahiyar sedu khanduli manjuri dia kata gejaka